Look at this.
It's massive.
Yeah, no.
So just a little bit of Cambrian mine history. I'll do it now and then I'll shut up. Started digging around the 1700s for slate. What you'll notice in here, the slate in here is rubbish compared to even Penarth. Penarth is still pretty bad, but compared to what you see in Blaina and De Norwich and stuff like that. About 1850, proper underground working started and proper quarrying in the area started. And it stopped around 1946 due to the workers basically going, I can get a better job doing the roadworks or whatever rather than working underground. Give me loads of questions. I'm a bit of a slate queen, so I like a bit of slate stuff.
To get back out.
We're not doing a cave rescue tool lab just because you can't get out.
It's alright, we've got a saw.
That's gonna take an ages. This pipe.
Oh, the pipe.
Oh, pipe. It would have been water drainage.
Oh, wow.
So this would all be so air compressor
Bloody hell, yeah.
mounting. Oh, helmet's off.
Oh, yeah. You won't get that ass through there.
No.
Worth a go, worth a go.
You want to put more light there?
More light.
More light.
Right over there.
More light.
Cool. Don't do that. Right, yeah, definitely don't do that.
I actually can't swim.
You know when she told Sharon that?
What's going on? Whoa.
Yeah,
On the
it's
outside,
not-
as she was getting into the boat at CRTT,
I said, this is my worst nemesis.
Sharon almost
This is
had
my
a
worst
fit.
nemesis. She said, what? I said, I can't fucking swim.
Do you even have any visibility down there? As soon as you start kicking off like the sill.
No, 10 to 15 metres until you got sill, and then probably 2 to 3. So the way they mine slate is you have a big chamber, and then they tip waste down, and then you have another chamber below you and another chamber below you, and in between they have bits where they haven't cut out. Now a mine like this where the rock's really rubbish, they'll have a lot of in-betweeny bits and a lot of pillars still in, whereas some of the bigger mines in places elsewhere where the slate's better, it won't be so enclosed as this mine is. So. Come on, Ellie, over the top.
Oh, fucking hell. Look at the state of that, Jay. Jesus. Come here in the summer for a nice swim, I reckon. That looks nice, doesn't it? Need Gwyn's big torch here. We need the big torch. Oi. Wow.
check it out. Yeah, I am. Yeah. Oh wow.
Nice.
No, I've ended up throwing it in.
So deep.
Yeah. Oh wow, it's another nice little one in here.
Oh yeah,
Beautiful colours, aren't they?
aren't they? They must go around that way.
Yeah, back through there, I think.
It's been a bit fallen out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Well, hopefully nothing else today.
No, let's not have any falls today. That's grand.
Airlines maybe going to the face where they had.
Well, they've gone all the way up there at some point, haven't they?
Yeah. Oh, now it's deep.
Ah, look there, yeah. That's dead deep there, isn't it?
Deep, but
Yeah.
there's no line going in from here, is there?
Wow, you can see where this has just fallen off
Yeah,
from up there, and it's just.
that's a little bit scary.
That is, isn't it?
Sure, these falls aren't dangerous.
We've had a lot of rain though, haven't we?
Yeah. This is a bit more blue. Blue pool.
What's that over there in the back right?
That?
Are those pipes?
Yeah, something. Tiger. Tiger. Right.
There's a chain back there as well.
Yeah,
That goes all the way up there.
I done.
Oh, that might be the waterfall we can hear.
Ooh, I like a waterfall. So what was this? I missed all that. I'm late to the party.
Thinking it was a dragon.
Ah, the dragon carved through, yeah? Of course. So is that... Were you saying that's the waterfall, not the wind?
Yeah.
That looks cool with all you guys with your torches. All just looks really gnarly.
It used to be probably full of water most of the time.
Yeah, it doesn't matter in mine exploring.
Nope.
No one complains at you for being on your
How
knees,
you
which
get
is
anywhere,
bloody
yeah.
good because I'm on my knees all the time.
That's what she said.
Hey, Mary.
I knew that was coming. Where is that coming from? Looks clean.
Water higher on this side, maybe.
Yes, most definitely. Wait. Yeah, there it is.
Right there, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, that's the source. And then obviously,
Sliding through all the...
yeah, it's all just come down. And this is higher up than that little river we've just been to, isn't it? So,
It feels like it.
yeah.
Oh, it's outside, that's why.
Oh, is it? Oh, wow, okay. That's why it's so wet. Oh, lovely. Wow, that must be that waterfall, eh?
The waterfall.
Can hear it. You're first, Jaya.
Waterfall.
That doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna go have a little look, yeah. Alright, getting near this waterfall now. You can feel the spray. Wow.
You used to be able to get in the other part of the mine here somewhere. It's all collapsed now.
Oh wow, look at the size of that. Woo!
Yeah. It's amazing.
It's really cool, yeah. I doubt many people come see this either.
Yeah, yeah.
Honestly. Because I mean, like, it's not exactly a designated trail, is it?
Yeah,
It'll come.
you sound like you've got the right backing.
Yeah, I'm not a liability to my round, that's for sure.